what you say. Just what we need. You decided this. What you say.
Check this out.
Ayo, a lot of people ask me, how could I let her pass me? How could I let her classy? Girl, it never harassed me. Shorty was never sassy. Me being so young and flashy, stunting like the girl never had me. Can't say I was twisted, but to have her in my life I was gifted. But it's funny how the whole thing shifted, like a fly-speed stick shift. Ain't lying, homie, God is my witness. When I had her, every day was like Christmas. I stayed on the gift list, I stayed #1 on the wish list. If I lose her, I ain't ready to risk it. You walking away, ain't no way I find a cure for this sickness. Only way to stop the pain is the biscuit. The suicidal is vital, I wouldn't lie to you not. You was my idol, whether you riding or not. And maybe because my title, I reside in the drop. But what you told me, girl,
What you say.
I know I didn't hear what I thought I heard coming from your lips.
What you say.
I can't believe you wanna say goodbye to me.
What you say.
We come too far to just let it end like this.
What you say.
What you say?
baby, you left me devastated because you never hesitated. Instead, you made it harder than it's supposed to be. Tighter than a priest holding on a rosary. But instead, I'm slipping, can't feel you holding me. The cracks been revealed, the facts can't conceal. In fact, I'm for real, I'm back at your will. You having your way, girl, have a good day. But tell me,
What did she say?
What you say, babe? What could possess you to make you wanna give up on our love? It's driving me crazy trying to figure out what the hell happened to us. I'll always be your man, you'll always be my baby, and I don't understand what you say.